Hello, and I hope you're all keeping well and safe in the COVID-19 pandemic. Today I'm going to present and to work on a spreadsheet in Excel called Cash Flow Return on Investment. This sheet is divided up to three headings on the big T, which is the startup, the big T in the middle, and the stop investing. The first few headings does not require to work and calculate in the stop investment heading. Now, unfortunately, this will take a very long time, as this will be the longest spreadsheet I will ever calculate and work in. So this could take a couple of days, it could take one long day, or it can take 2 days. So I don't know, whatever how this goes on. So to start off the spreadsheet, I have to calculate the missing figures that are not in the growth rate and the project return on investment. So to start number 2, in the startup heading, I calculate the growth rate 10% of the cost of capital. Okay, so how to do that is through each of those sum function tables will require an if statement. So this is how to start it off with the if statement. Worksheet, which is the second sheet on cash flow return on investment. Close comments on it. Worksheet again. Explanation I get 16 in bracket. As you see, there is nothing been inserted just yet. So let's move on, go calculate number 3. Worksheet again. G16, so different there. Now into number 4. This will be the bit on the big T heading. Press enter. Well, so far, so number 5. If statements once again. Explanation mark by 16 brackets. Press enter. That's number 5. So number 6 for the growth rate. Worksheet. J16 brackets. And then number 7, 8, 9, and 10 stop investing. I do not calculate those sum function tables, so that's where it stops the investing for the growth rate, both growth rate and the project return on investment. So this is going to be the last one for the growth rate. K16 brackets, enter. Okay, so that's growth rates complete. So go on to number 1 on the project return on investment. E17 and number 2. Worksheet F17 bracket and number 3. Worksheet J17 bracket center and number 4 big T for the project return on investment. Worksheet H17 bracket and number 5 for project return on investment. H17 number 6 for project return on investment for number 6. J17 okay, last but not least, number 7 for project return on investment. Okay, so that's all complete. Now down here to the project cash flows. As you see, these are the irrelevant sum tables that do not need to calculate. So if I do get rid of them and calculate them again, the number figures will not be correct and the whole thing will get messy and messed up. So best to leave them where they are. So this is a new one which I haven't heard before. It's called an if and or statement. Basically worksheet exclamation mark F51 two brackets the comment worksheet F1 equal bracket worksheet exclamation mark F51. Same with the other two. So that's the official sum table to calculate the project cash flows. 1 up to number 7. As it goes to number 5, then it starts on the stop investing headings where it's relevant to insert onto the project cash flows. Okay, down here for gross cash flow. That's just simply G12 2.G19, so basically just one figure that's in it. That's just 26.7. This does be added to those two altogether, and the answer will be 48.0. 65.1, if I add those three together, and I'll get 65.1. Again, three of these figures all add together, and I get 52.1. That's a simple good function table to find addition answers. Simply 12, which is here, 14 and 15 all the way to 19, and I get the relevant answer that has the number of figures inserted. So yeah, that's how to do the gross cash flow. So thank you all for watching this so far. It has been very interesting and very difficult. So in the next video I will continue to present the next few headings, and any other headings that are completely blank I will calculate it manually and then show you how to do those sum tables in the future times. So stay tuned, wash your hands, stay safe, and hope you all have a very good weekend, and I'll see you all. Thank you all so much for watching this. Adios.